cooking. And my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi. We getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam. This is why I need.
We're on the Chick-fil-A. Lunchtime. They got the strawberry hibiscus and all the ranches is there. My order should be ready. I made an order online, so it should be ready. I tasted the ice cream already. It's good. Good. I got a free cone because I had 200 points. That's a lot. I'm gonna tell I got to cook. I'm gonna make it get to eat my lunch. They gave me 2 fries. I don't know why they gave me 2 fries. I didn't order 2 fries. I ordered a meal and I get my free cone. But I don't know. I think it's gonna be sunny when I come out here. It's a little nippy out here, man. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Aniki. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm doing a Chick-fil-A thing. Alright, so yeah. Alright, I went to go get, I got ice cream. Okay, I went to go get the ranch club sandwich, which I think, yeah, it is. And they gave me 2 fries again. Something that's I'm going to Chick-fil-A and they gave me 2 fries. I don't know what's going on, but I'll take it. I think this came out in March, but I didn't know about it until I think last week. Look. They still give me second 2 fries. I guess they love me over there. They love me over there because why did you give me 2 fries? I didn't order 2 fries. So I got like 7 minutes. So this is jalapeno ranch. Alright, so this is the sandwich. I think the bun is made of with ranch too, it's like ranch bun. It's pepper jack cheese, candied, I think it's candied bacon. Is it onion or ranch, one of them? I think it's onion, smells like it. I got a crispy spicy. I was gonna get grilled, but I changed my mind. Didn't get myself is, oh my god. Okay, so I got the hibiscus drink. Hibiscus lemonade. Here's the sauce I'm supposed to put on there. But I got 3 minutes for lunch. I didn't wait because my lunch is, I have to walk to Chick-fil-A. It's like a 4-minute walk from my job, but still. Why is it tearing? I'm telling you, tearing is not tearing. Oh, don't piss me off, man. It's not tearing. I have to use a damn fork to open it. But anyways, the bun, got the bun. It is ranch bun. I think the bacon is sweet. It's onion or candied bacon, something like that. I'll put a sauce on there. Let's see. Ooh. Take a big bite. Yeah, am I right? Jalapeno. So it's jalapenos at the bottom. Yep, jalapeno at the bottom and bacon, pieces of bacon. I'll take my ice cream. Eating it outside. Look at ice cream cone. The ice cream tastes good. It's not too sweet or nothing. Ooh. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Oh my god. I'm supposed to be on off lunch right now. Anyway, if you don't want to go home. Good one. It's definitely spicy. Oh, you see how ready it is? I'm not sure I got something smaller than this. The jalapenos. Oh, baby. Oh, the lemonade. This is really good. Yeah, this is the strawberry lemonade. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna have to eat this video when I go home. My bitch is up. Spicy. I didn't do my damn Polynesian sauce. Alright. I'm gonna see y'all later. Because this ranch, this jalapeno ranch is not bad. I actually like it. I'm not even a big fan of jalapeno or ranch, but together. See y'all later. I'm gonna finish this later. Because I can't do it right now.